Your home's beautiful stone surfaces deserve the best professional care. You can trust COIT's experienced technicians to provide you with just that. Preparation, honing or polishing, and sealing are just some of the steps available in our proven high-quality stone cleaning process. Whether your stone renewal needs are for your kitchen, bathroom, or outdoor surfaces, COIT has the experience and treatment options to revitalize all of your stone surfaces. We can boldly go where bottled cleaners and household mops have never gone before. You can trust COIT for a guaranteed great-looking result. We have over 60 years of experience.